Because he's angry, it will change this one to what? Letter A. So you have what? Remember, you have what?
Cape.
Cape, not ka. You see, I heard you say ka. It is no longer what?
Ka.
But what? Cape. Cape. I took my time to explain the CVC, the silent E, because many times struggling readers, children who are struggling with reading, usually find this very, very difficult. So I broke everything down in this video. So if this is the first time seeing me, my name is Ifoma Golden Angel. I help struggling readers to build their confidence in reading. If you have any struggling reader, I will also encourage you to save this video so that from time to time, you watch the video, listen to it, and learn as well. And help us to share this video so that other parents can learn. Thanks and God bless you. So now, let's go to the main teaching. So before now, you've learned that this is A, right?
Yes.
Respond.
Yes.
And this is E, right? Yes. So but today, I just want to let you know that this E you are seeing here, this E that normally sounds E, whenever you see it in words like this, pay attention. I will not say it again. Pay attention. This one will be swallowed by this one. And when it will be swallowed,
Yes.
it will not exist again. It will not do what?
Exist again.
That means it is there, but it's silent. Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yes.
Because you are going to spell it, that is why it will be there. But when you are not writing it, you are pronouncing it. I listen to what I'm saying.
Yes.
You are spelling it. Sorry, you are sounding it. You are reading it. Pay attention. Know that this E that you are seeing here has been swallowed by this one. So now this E becomes so angry, and he will say, "Oh, you swallowed me, and you did not swallow this one." And he said to this one, "You will no longer sound A as in letter sounds." I listen to what I'm saying.
Yes.
But you are going to sound your what? Your alphabetic words, letter name, which is what? A. Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yes.
You will no longer sound what? A. You will sound what? A. A. That's A. A. Like A, B, C, D. A. Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yes.
Very important. When you learn it, if I say spell cake next time, worrying again, you will not be messing up. You just spell it A-C-A-K-E. But when I say pronounce it or read it, remember that the E that is here has been swallowed. And the E is now very what? Angry. And change this one from sounding A to now sound what? A. A. And now sound what? A. So that's the reason this will not sound kake, but it will sound what? Cake. It will sound what? Cake. So remember, I asked you to spell cake before. You were spelling rubbish, right? So now spell cake for me now.
C-A-K-E.
Can you say C-A-K-E?
C-A-K-E.
I've told you when I say you should spell, not C-A-K-E. No. Okay? Spell it again. C-A-K-E. Cake. Okay? So if you are writing it, you write it like this. Okay? But when you are doing what you are reading it, be aware that this E has been swallowed by this one. Okay? E has been swallowed by this K. Okay? And because it has been swallowed, he doesn't want to leave this A alone. He said, this one, you used to sound A and you are still there. I will change you. You will no longer sound A. I will change you to your original name, which is A. Are you with me?
Yes.
So that is it. That is it. So cake, make. So anywhere you see any child that cannot read this thing, what were you going to explain to that child?
I am going to explain him.
Explain to him.
I'm going to explain to him whenever K swallow E.
That not whenever K swallow E. That this E that is here
has been swallowed by K.
Swallowed by what?
By K.
Yes, or any word at all. Okay? And because of that, what happened?
E now vex and swallow.
He is now angry. And change what?
A.
And change
A
to what?
A.
That is why you will not say what? Kake. But you will say what?
Cake.
But you will say what?
Cake.
Very important. Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yes.
You will no longer say what? Kake. Or get confused. How will I write this thing? How will I read this thing? But you immediately say cake. And you spell it as what? C-A-K-E. If anybody asks you, you are reading this one cake, but what I'm seeing is what? Kake. Why? You tell the person that this K swallowed the E, and E is now angry. Okay? And say that this A that sounds will no longer sound but will sound what? A, like the original what? Name, alphabet name. So that is what happened to all these ones. Okay, let's go. Cake.
Make. Take. Make. Name.
Game.
Game.
You see, you were saying that, but I've told you that this will no longer sound what? But what? A. But what? A. Very important. So let's go to this one. What's this?
Bike.
Bike. Bike. Bike. This one is B. This one, because this K has swallowed this one, it has changed this one from E to what? I. The what? The original what? Alphabetic what? Name. Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
That is the reason if I say spell bike, you will not go and give me B-A, but you will give me what? B-I. B-I-K what? E. Bike. I love that. Are you with me?
Yes.
Bike. But if I say big, okay, you remember that the B and E and put your K. Okay? But if I say bike, don't say because I said bike. That means it will be what? A that will be there. Okay? It is I that will be there. Because of what? Because of what? The A. The A. This E here has been swallowed. And he said that this E sound that we all know will no longer sound what? E sound. But it will change it to the original name, which is what? I. Which is what? I. Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
So look at this. When I say give me spell like, you start spelling it. You start spelling it like this because you have learnt your sound. K. You know? Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yes.
So from today, can you spell it like this again?
No.
You will spell it as what? L-I-K-E. Like. Are you with me?
Yes.
Is it making sense to you?
Yes.
The same thing with what? Time. When I say spell time, you will not start spelling it like this. Time. Okay? You will spell it like what? Like this. Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
I know that if I say you should, before now, if I say you should pronounce this, you start saying time. Abi? Time, because you have learned your sound, but it's wrong. Nothing like time. Okay?
Right.
Nothing like what? Time. This is T. Because this E is here, it has been swallowed by M. It is now angry. And you now change this one from letter E. Sorry, from sound E to I. That is why you will have what? Time. Is that well understood?
Yes.
The same thing happened to what? Right. Now look at this one. Hide, find, home, hope, road, nose, cone, not cone. This is is still angry, so it has changed this one to its O. Okay, the letter O, the alphabet letter O. Are you with me?
Yes.
This is now cone. Okay, cone. So we have cube, tube, cute, mute, use, rule. Okay, so here we are just going to practice by bringing all of this together. What's this?
Gate.
What's this? Late, correct. What's this? Remember. So what's this?
N-I-N.
What did I tell you about this? This.
It's no longer E.
But what?
I.
So what's this?
Line.
Line. Okay, can you say it again?
Line.
Again?
Line.
Again? Line. What's this? B. So let me write it well. So say it. Bone. What's this?
Side.
Correct. Side. Spell it.
S-I.
Not S, I.
S-I-D-E.
S-I-D-E. Again?
S-I-D-E.
What is this? Eh? Tune.
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 Tune. So look at this. Let's look at this comparison. Look at this. This is what?
Cap.
Cap. Cap. You see that the A is still sounding A, right?
Yes.
And this is our C, but sounds what? K. This is P, that sounds what? P, right? Yes. So you have your words cap. Okay? Yes. But immediately we introduce the letter E. Okay? E. This P will swallow it immediately. Okay? It will swallow it. Not in writing, but in reading, in pronouncing. Okay? Yes. So it's just telling you that this E is now silent. Are you listening to what I'm saying? So, because he's angry, it will change this one to what? A. Letter A. So you have what? Remember, you have what?
Cape.
Cape, not ka. You see, I heard you say ka. It is no longer what?
Ka.
But what? Cape. Cape. Take note of it. So look at this one. This is what?
Kit.
Kit. This is kit. As we're introducing this E to it, what is it?
Kite.
Kite. Kite. Are you understanding anything?
Yes.
You are going to teach somebody. When you go home today, when you get home today, you teach your mother or your brother, anybody. You must teach somebody so that you will own it. Okay? Yes. If you come tomorrow, I will give you dictation. If you did not get this in, right, that means you have not learnt it. Okay? So I want you to surprise me tomorrow. So this is what? Hop. 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 Hope. Hope. You see the O there, right?
Yes.
Hope. Oh. You see it?
Yes.
Okay? So just know that the E is silent. The E is what?
Silent.
The E is what?
Silent.
The E is what?
Silent.
But it makes the vowel. What are the vowels? See our vowels. Okay? Right. Say its name. Say its name. That's the alphabetical word name. Okay? That is the reason you have cake. Okay? Instead of our normal A. Okay? We're not having cake. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Are you listening to me?
Yes.
So when you learn that one, let me just emphasize on this. This one will no longer be words, but it will be what? Sound your words, your alphabetic words, A. Okay?
All right.
So take notes. In writing is cake. In pronouncing or in reading, it is what?
Cake.
It is
Cake.
It is what?
Cake.
That's why I wrote this thing, so that you remember it with your A. Okay? Right. You remember it with your words. A, letter A. Okay? Right. Thank you, and God bless you. Any question? So you come and teach me. Yeah, take your marker. Have your marker. Come and teach me. Okay, so my dear parents, let's keep encouraging these children. Don't say that they have to figure it out. They're supposed to know it. Others are knowing it. No. Every child is unique. Every child is special. Don't always allow them to figure it out. Help them. Help them. Don't kill them for me, because I'm coming after you. Thank you.